In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page on Microsoft Word. If you have a page in your document that you no longer need, you can quickly select the entire page and remove it using a simple keyboard shortcut. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document that contains the page you want to delete. Next, click anywhere on the page you want to remove. Make sure you are clicking inside the page that contains the content you want to delete. Now, press Ctrl and G on your keyboard. This will open the Find and Replace window with the Go To tab selected. In the Enter Page Number box, type a / followed by the word Page. Then, press Enter. Word will automatically select all of the content on the current page. Once the content is selected, click Close to close the Go To window. You should now see that everything on the page is highlighted. This can include text, images, tables, and other content located on that page. Finally, press the Delete key on your keyboard. The selected content will be removed, and the page should disappear from your document. This method is especially useful when you want to delete a specific page without manually selecting all of its content. It also saves time when the page contains a lot of text or multiple objects. Just remember that this method deletes the content on the selected page. So before pressing Delete, make sure you have selected the correct page and that you don't need any of its content. And that's how you can quickly delete a page in Microsoft Word using the Go To feature. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,